Hello, Mr. Applegate, Paul here. So I think since the last update, we've gotten your steering wheel put together and installed. We've got the upholstery, most of the upholstery in. There's just a seat bottom that fits in up here and 3 cushions that go on top of that seat bottom. We got your engine hatch finished. As you recall, that engine hatch was, your old one was completely rotted out. So we have, this is your new one, and we just got it covered. We covered it we've had the cover made for quite a while, but we just put it on the engine hatch this last week. We also put the engine hatch in, and there were some blocks up here that support the engine, and they were completely rotted out. So when we built new ones, we built them, we didn't put the angle that you see in the box, so we had to come back and trim those up so that this engine box would sit back far enough to go over the back of the exhaust pipe. And then we discovered that the piece that we also made from scratch to go between these two stringers, 4 stringers, that piece was too short. So we have remade that, but we're waiting on a piece of linoleum to put in on that, and that'll complete that portion. So the next thing will be to take it to the lake and test it. Of course, we'll test it here first on the Fayetteville Lake, and then we'll take it to the lake and test it, and then we're looking at delivery. So anyway, we're getting real close, and we've had to hire a couple of new people. We've just had all kinds of trouble since COVID, really, with people working their hours. I don't know. We hear that's a common complaint. All the businessmen in the area here. So anyway, we've added a couple more people, and we've gone up the food chain. We've gotten older, more mature people, and we have one that starts tomorrow, or Monday. I mean, we had a woodworker that started last week, and just replacing people that haven't been working their hours, so that we don't have to tell you why things are taking so long anymore. Thank you.